we are going to do an FK8 vented splash shield because all of you guys asked for it. And this is actually something that's perfect for people who do time attack, such as this person. You know, to get the hot air out. So we're gonna document some test fitting. Ta-da! Wait, hold up. Let's go back to see how we got here.
Hello, this is Mason, engineer at PLM. We wanted to design aftermarket splash guard for the FK8. We wanted to make it similar to our FL5 splash guard, which has the vents to let air out of the engine quicker. We started by scanning the stock splash guard with our 3D scanner. After that, I got a mesh that I was able to use to create the CAD here. We made a rough design that has the vents and everything. Next, we moved on to 3D printing a prototype for test fitment. We used our Fusion 3 filament printer. Took 6 different prints just to get because it's a pretty big piece. Over here you can see the 3D printed version. We didn't have to add the vents onto this because it was just for fitment. We just wanted to make sure we got the holes right.
Okay, now let's go back to where we were. Are we doing the same thing where we use the new hardware for it? Just like the old?
It looks like it. Is that gonna work?
No. There's one. And this is number 2. Oh, that was the hole there too.
I know, but do we need it for anything?
It's the same way, yeah. No, it's just a... Oh. Other than that, that's it. The only thing I see is...
I mean, I already designed it in there.
We made it for the FL5 and it's been very popular and a lot of people asking for FK8. So we had a friend of a coworker bring in their FK8.
Right.
Do you think we could just reuse the factory stuff? Which it looks like from this point we can.
Well, I won't know that for sure until we test a metal one. It might still be too thick once it comes out in metal.
Oh, actually, you know, on this side, it's about like maybe both of them. This one looks like.
Can we take? I don't have a camera, dude. Can you take a picture of that? Here. This one's almost perfect. How much can this thing move here?
This is gonna move back a little bit more.
It can move a lot. It could be that too.
It could be.
Look up, let me see. Yeah, what do you think? Flat. It's flat's like right there, right?
Yeah. 2, 3. This one, I think 1. You can get a 1. This one maybe like.
If this thing's supposed to move. It's hard to say.
3?
2 or 3.
Yeah. Oh, Mason, what's the judgment? Does it look good to enough?
Yeah, everything fits perfect, so I think we just move forward into production from here, pretty much. I don't even have to adjust anything. Everything matches up perfectly.
Very short, brief, easy test fit. Probably because we did it to the FL5. So now all I'm gonna do is just put everything back on. And it seems the test fit went pretty well, according to Mason.
Later.
And there you have it. The splash shield. Vented. As you can see, it's very, very similar to the FL5 one. You got the vents in there to extract hot air out. This is the same OEM location, and the hardware right here. So all that's left is to shoot a video of it being installed. Thank you for watching our short little R&D video. The next video will be installation of this on the test vehicle. Product is available now. Click the link in the description. And also, if you want to win this car, it's also linked. Focus. It's also linked in the description below. See you next time.